Here's a Hellcat, 1200 horsepower. Very, very beautiful. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and this is Tech Tuesday. We're out a little bit of an automobile club to check out some really nice equipment. And as you can see here, they're all over the place with up to 1200 horsepower and all kinds of stuff. I'll go ahead and dip into the engine compartment so you can see the motors, and then you should be able to have a bit of fun. But there's actually a lot of inspiration for everybody here. I hope you enjoy it, and let's see where this takes us. Unbelievably nice.
But you can't roll it. I got it. Check that.
So here's the real one. That's cool. So Tech Tuesday is actually in the middle of the whole thing. Here's a really nice one. Here's a Hellcat, 1200 horsepower. Very, very beautiful.
They've been over in Europe forever. Yeah.
6.2 liters, and there's not a single spot anywhere with a greasy finger. So we need a new wash, but apparently they don't have any wash here at the moment, so we gotta find something else. I hope you enjoy it, and now it's time for beer and a hot dog. Nothing better than Hardee's, free beer and hot dogs. What do you think?